In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos in CapCut Desktop for total beginners. If you've never edited a video before, don't worry. CapCut Desktop is very beginner-friendly, and once you understand the basic workflow, the whole process becomes much easier. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to import your footage, make clean edits, preview your results, and export a finished video you can share. Start by opening the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program loads, click New Project to begin with a fresh editing workspace. This gives you a clean timeline and all the tools you need in one place. Next, click Import and select the video you want to edit. After the file appears in your media library, drag the imported video down to the timeline. The timeline is where all of your editing happens, so this is the main area you'll be working in. To make your video cleaner and more polished, trim the beginning or end of the clip by dragging its edges inward. This is useful for removing awkward pauses, extra footage, or moments before the action starts. If you need to remove something from the middle of the video, use the split tool to cut the clip into sections. Once you've separated the unwanted part, delete any unnecessary clips from the timeline. This is one of the most common editing techniques, and it helps keep your content focused and easy to watch. If you're working with more than one video clip, you can add transitions between clips to make the change from one shot to the next feel smoother. Transitions can help your video look more polished, but it's usually best to keep them simple, especially when you're just starting out. You can also add text, stickers, or effects if needed. These can help highlight important information, add style, or make the video more engaging. Just be careful not to overdo it. A clean and simple edit often looks better than one with too many visual elements. Before exporting, preview your video by clicking the play button. Watch it all the way through and look for anything that feels too long, too sudden, or out of place. Then make any final adjustment so everything flows the way you want. When you're happy with your edit, click Export. Choose your export settings based on how you want the final video to look and where you plan to use it. After that, click Export again to save your video, and that's it. That's the basic beginner process for editing videos in CapCut Desktop from start to finish.